Okay, so we're in Somaliland with the lovely Sarah Helga. Thanks for having us. And this is your place.
Yeah.
You made this.
Yeah.
This is the venue that we're going to play in tonight. It's just over there. We're not in this room, we're in another room. But it's gorgeous. It's called Hiddo Dua. Is that how I say it? Hiddo Dua?
Yeah.
And what does that mean?
Keep culture.
Keep culture.
Yeah.
It's absolutely amazing in here.
Thank you.
Honestly, if you have the time, like, Google it, because it is very, very cool. We'll put a link up or something.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's very special, so thank you for having me. And thank you guys for coming. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Can you tell me quickly, what is this song about?
This song is a love song.
A love song?
Yeah.
For who?
For the woman and man. And then woman, she said, I have to be happy.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Did you write it?
No, it's another man, Boise man, he wrote it.
Oh, a man wrote it?
Yeah.
But it's from a woman's perspective?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, I love love songs.
Thank you.
They're the best. Okay, Sarah,
And
let's do it.
welcome, Hiddo.
Oh, thank you.
You and your group.
Yeah, it's lovely being here. Very special.
And Somaliland also.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Oh, how we love love. Isn't that beautiful? I think it was right. Good. How do you say that was right here?
That's
How do you say it was good?
fiican.
Fiab.
Fiican.
Fiab.
Yeah.